Hi guys, so today I want to do a little home tour. Sorry about my face, I'm in holiday. I try not to wear a lot of makeup, so this is why. And I did wear a lot of makeup this last days because I've been doing some photo shoots, so I just give my face a little rest, so sorry. Anyway, this is not a video about me, so I'm just gonna show you a bit of my home, and this is it. So this is what you can actually see when you enter my apartment. So here you have the living room that I will show. Here you have the bedroom. There the bathroom, which I'm not going to show because it's all messy, but well, not really. I can show you a bit. As you can see, there's a lot of cleaning to do, and I have a bathtub just there. So this is it. Yeah. So you have a mirror just there. You have this huge thing is where I just throw out all my coats when I come home. Yeah, we do have all of this. Let's try to be honest. My house is clean, but let's be honest, we all have like a place where we throw stuff, you know, like the chair. And then you can see this is my conversion certificate with my name, Hebrew name, Ruth. So I know I have no mezuzah, but I could put it outside, I could put it inside because it's not really something I want to share with my neighbors, but I never did. I have to, but I'm not sure I will move one day. So anyway, this is another place. So this is my dad. I have my Hanukkah there, my Shabby candle. This I like. I actually use more those kind of little candles when I do Shabbat. I think I got them on Kate's Clothing. I really like this. Then you got a little stuff there. This is where I put stuff for sewing, and I never sew, but this is actually really helpful when I sell stuff and I want people to know the measurement. This, I got it in London, I really like it. This is a friend. This is from my grandma. And this is something I really like. I got it from Etsy also, really like it. Her name is Emma something. If you like it, I could tell you the her Etsy shop, but it got me a long time to arrive in France, so I know that like her delivery is it was kind of hard to get, but she was really nice. She like gave me partial refund, I think, if I remember correctly. So yeah, really nice girl, but kind of hard to get this delivered to my house. Then you have a Meghan Mars drawing. I really like it. The little frame, I got it on Vinted, I think, so it's secondhand too. Okay, this is fake flowers, but I really like it. I got those from Wish, I think, and I know it's really fake. It looks really fake, but it's black and stays all year, so I like it. And I have those. Those came separately, but I thought it would look good, and it does. I think this is something I got it for a long time. Don't even know where I got it, but I really like this little seals. This thing doesn't, I cannot hang it, so I don't know where I can put it, but I really like it. It comes from London too. And this is a little cabinet that I can, let me just put this in the right place. I'll put some shoes in it, because you can see I have a lot of shoes. I also have some in my bedroom, so yeah. And then you have a big mirror that I cannot hang to. I don't want to do a lot of holes in my walls, so this is why I just put stuff like this, and if I need, I just move it. I really like this little rug too. Yeah, need to clean a bit. That's actually it for the entry. Then we go this way. So here is the dining room. You have a door, glass door, whoop, like this. Then you have the sofa, which I'm really proud. I'm very proud of it. This is the background that you see often in my videos. I have a little thing like this with my vintage magazine collection. A little table. Those two shelves with DVDs and CDs. And then you have my little pink TV. Some stuff like this that I put to decorate. Those bookshelves. My printer is pink too. This is a chair I picked up in the street, which I think it just needs a bit of paint here. It's actually really good condition. The little chair. I think this is the first chair I ever had and I assembled by myself, and I was like so proud. Yeah, then you have my little, these are some tarot cards I keep. Then you have the Elegy collection with the really goth band like this. I have a ultimate collection of Poe. I really like it. Then you have the Buffy collection. And this is my little kitchen. Don't mind the mess. Like, I have some bags. I don't know if you guys have like a place for bags, like empty bags that you might need for grocery shopping. Well, this is the place. I really like it. This is the landlords picked up this pattern. I really like it. So here it goes. This was the dining room. And this is the bedroom, my little coffin. Yeah, so the bed is like this. It's a queen size bed, like this size. Have some frames there. So pretty much of those are Andrea Young. I really like her pinup style. You can see I have a few more there. This one really makes me think of me. I have those. So this one is really old. I can't remember. I know that I got it on a tattoo convention. It might have the name at the back, but I don't remember. It has been a long time it's framed. So yeah, so this is it. And those two are from Coalition Art. If I recall, I would put this in the description if you need. If I forget, really, you can ask me. I'll put you this in comments. I think it's really, really pretty. I really like this mermaid. And if I can show you sort of more tissue around there. Those are my plushies. I don't really sleep with this. I just put them on the bed when the bed is all set. I sleep with this one and this one and this one. But I really like them. I think they're really decorative and also a bit soft. I like it. So those are the pillowcases I show you in a whole video. I really like this headboard cover. I think it's really good if you want to change your look, and it's washable and you can have other styles. I also have the one in pink that you may have seen in one of my other videos. My bed headboard was all grey and really dusty, and I don't know, I think this is really more, it's cleaner and I don't know, it feels fancier. I just have to tighten it there, but I feel like it's really matching my style, so I like it. It's not really cheap. Well, I have to tighten it there, but I don't think it's really cheap. I really like the look. I'm in love with my little mushroom lamp. So this is another. I have a lot of clothes. I don't know how you guys do in a small apartment. Those two there, and this one, and this one are stuff that should go, so waiting on Vinted to be sold. But I'm often giving stuff to charity too. This is my little bookshelf with my religious stuff. I like to sleep with them. These are all my shoes. I used to have a lot of boxes there, but I threw out a lot of boxes, and then I just put them, the one I don't really use, and I'm not going to sell them right away. I put them like just there. And you can't really see, but there's a lot of it there. Yeah, and then like, you know, I had this box without the pair, and I just label it so I can remember what it is. Have some vintage hats also. I don't want to let go. Yeah, I missed something there. I don't know what, but I like it. As you can see, I don't have like a real crochet like this, real hook, because I'm a bit afraid to do some holes. I don't know, it's like I think I heard it once, it's the rental syndrome. So if you can see the outside, looks like this. This is what I can see from my window. So I have those two. Those are my coats, and I have more there. And this is my dresses and skirts. I would say it's mostly winter clothes, because I also have some boxes underneath the bed with some summer clothes. This is kind of a mess, so don't look at it, but it's really easy to move apartments when you have stuff like this to assemble. It's really easy. What is this? Like, I have too many things, so socks, lingerie. As you can see, this is the main thing that is mostly filled. It is the black t-shirt. This is the black stuff. This is black long sleeves. I think I might, you know, it's not really balanced. This is summer dresses. This is skirts, black skirts. And I think this is tank tops and what do I have? And pants. Yeah, and trousers. All right, so here it is. I think you've seen it all for the bedroom. Oh yeah, and I have some pole dance shoes that I really like them, but I never wear them because I'm too bad at pole dancing, so I gave up like everything I can't do. So yeah, this is the room. So this was a little bit of my place. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.